Welcome to corporate life. This is your calendar. This is your file storage. And this is your video chat. All of these apps are separate, and to perform your work, you need to use all three apps at the same time. This will feel like you're juggling three balls at once, until one day you realize it's not easy. This is why you need Lark. It takes your calendars, your files, and video chats and puts them under one roof. The Lark app. Now you can talk to your teammates here, access files here, and schedule meetings here. This ecosystem of apps makes you faster, better, and more productive. And it lets you focus on getting your work done without dropping the ball. To do good work, you don't need luck, just Lark.